Dreaming of turning your passion into profit? Let's make that dream a reality today. Today, we're breaking down how to start your own online business as a woman, step by step. And trust me, if those big-time entrepreneurs did it with zero experience, so can you. Step 1. Pick the right business for you. Not just any business, but one that fits your passion, skills, and the market's needs. Here are 3 powerful business models to consider. Freelancing and services. Are you great at writing, graphic design, marketing, or coaching? Sell your skills online. E-commerce and dropshipping. Sell products without ever touching inventory. Content creation and digital products. Think ebooks, courses, or even YouTube like this. Which one sounds like your thing? Let me know in the comments. Once you've picked, it's time to set it up. Create a simple website or use platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. Get on social media and start sharing your journey. And remember, every big business started with one small step. So what are you waiting for? Your dream business starts today. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Let's get started.